Today we're going to be starting in Astroidia, and we are going to be looking at arrays in the Radiant Arrays section. Now, an array is an ordered list of items that can include any value. So when we were working in the last two games, we were looking at the values of strings and integers. Today, we're going to be combining both strings and integers. Each value in the array has an index number, and that identifies the exact position of the value of the array, and the first value is always 0. Now, the way to kind of think this through is, let's say that your class has a lineup order, and when you line up in order, your line order is the array, and your position in that line is the index number. Now, in Astroidia, the array matters. You can solve some levels in just one move as long as the variables you store in the array are in the correct sequence. Now let's take a look at level 1. These green bins are an array. Order matters. The top bin blasts first. And they're showing us we should start with yellow because those are the asteroids on the outside. Then when that layer is gone, I'm going to put the 2 in because that'll blast the 2 asteroids, and then the red will blast the inner layer of asteroids. You only have to load the first one, but you do have to tap 3 times in this game. So tap the yellow, then tap the layer of 2 where you want it to hit, and finally tap the red layer. And we were able to do that in just one turn because we had things in the right order in our array.